go! Welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and I have another unboxing video. I can't show you the front of the box because it has my address. So let's not do that. So, as you can see, the box is already open. So, oops, I opened it upside down. So, I'm guessing you guys can already tell what the device is. It is a Simplex True Alert. This is the first True Alert I have, or the only one I have. Let's get the cover off real quick. However you do that. Is that how? Maybe? I don't know. There we go. I got the cover off. So, yeah, this is what the inside of the True Alert looks like. You have your little switch down there for Smart Sync and non-Smart Sync. So, yeah, it's the new device I got. So I'm glad to actually finally have a True Alert, as I definitely did not have one. So yeah. I'm probably going to be doing the next video. That'll be a system test. Not with this device, probably with different devices, but this device, you guys should see this on a system test relatively soon. So, yeah. I think that's about everything I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this little short video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.